You walk into a bank in an English-speaking country. The teller asks, "How can I help you today?" Do you know what to say? Today you will learn exactly what to say. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Banks and post offices are places you need in real life. In this lesson, you learn the key phrases for both. Let's start with the bank. Section 1. At the bank. When you arrive, a teller will say, "How can I help you?" Here are the things you might need to say. I'd like to open a bank account. I'd like to deposit some money. Deposit means to put money in. I'd like to withdraw some cash. Withdraw means to take money out. I'd like to transfer money to another account. Can I check my balance, please? Balance is how much money you have. I'd like to exchange currency, please. If there is a problem, say, "There's an error on my statement. My card has been declined." Declined means the card was rejected. The teller might ask, "Do you have ID?" Always bring your passport or ID card. Practice. Ask to check your balance. Say, "Could I check my balance, please?" Perfect. Section 2. At the post office. At the post office, the clerk will say, "Next, please," or "How can I help?" Here are the key phrases. I'd like to send this letter. I'd like to send this parcel. A parcel is a package. How much does it cost to send this to the USA? I'd like to send it first class. First class means faster. How long will it take? Can I get a tracking number? I'd like to buy some stamps, please. I need to collect a parcel. Here is my notification card. If you are receiving something, I'm expecting a package. Practice. Ask how much it costs to send a letter. Say, "How much does it cost to send this letter?" Great. Section 3. Key vocabulary. Let's review the most important words from today. Account, where your money is kept in the bank. Deposit, put money in. Withdraw, take money out. Balance, how much money you have right now. Transfer, move money from one account to another. Parcel, a package you send in the post. Stamp, the small sticker that pays for sending a letter. Tracking number, a code to follow your package online. First class, the faster, more expensive mailing option. These 8 words will get you through almost any situation. Recap. At the bank, deposit, withdraw, transfer, check balance. At the post office, send parcel, stamps, tracking number. Use "I'd like to" for polite requests. It always works. Have you ever used English at a bank or post office? Tell me in the comments. What happened? If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.